Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today we are in Chungcheongnam-do province, Gyeryong region, and this is a special area because the South Korean Army headquarters is located here, and today we are here to celebrate the Gyeryong Military Culture Festival 2025. This is the overall layout of the program. In Korean, it's called Festival, and it's a place where civilian and military come together and share their close bonds. In one stall, there were like military gigs experiencing zone. So I came here and tried the military gigs, and it was an amazing experience. In Korea, actually every man has to complete 2 years compulsory military training. So it's a part of Korea's life. Now the backpack that I'm wearing, it's a 20 kilo backpack, and all these equipments and gigs and wearables are worn by the military personnel from training to battle. And I was casually asking about some other equipments, what to wear, when, and how these things go around in the daily life of military services. The history of this festival dates back from 2002, and initially only military family personnel they used to take part in this festival, but later on they have opened up, and as you can see, me being a foreigner, I am also experiencing this festival, and no doubt it's an amazing experience for me. While walking, I met these two cute companions and could not resist to get framed with them. While having a good time, I suddenly noticed that there are some helicopters approaching close towards us. And as they got much closer to us, they surprised us with fireworks. So, moving forward, this is what I found. So, can you name it? I don't want to name it, man. So, write it in the comment section if you know what is it. And also there were tanks, so I got inside the tank and watched the inside view. As we know, South Korea and the USA, they share a close bonds together. So here we also got to see some US military equipments, and it was really a great experience for all of us to learn about these things. It's mesmerizing. Also, in this festival, you can get all the basic necessary services. For example, food court, relaxing zone, restrooms, emergency medical service, and many more. And there is a cute bus that runs across the whole ground. Well, that's all for today. looking forward to meet you in another vlog. Till then, take care and bye bye.